Vitamin C and E are both powerful antioxidants that offer numerous health benefits. Vitamin C benefits: boosts immunity, strengthens the immune system and helps fight infections, supports skin health, promotes collagen production, reducing wrinkles and improving skin elasticity, enhances wound healing, aids in faster recovery from cuts and injuries, antioxidant power, protects cells from damage caused by free radicals, improves iron absorption, helps the body absorb iron from plant-based foods, reducing the risk of anemia, supports heart health, may lower blood pressure and reduce heart disease risk. Vitamin E benefits: protects skin, helps prevent premature aging, reduces UV damage, and improves skin hydration. Supports brain health, may lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Boosts immune function, enhances the body's ability to fight infections. Heart health, helps prevent oxidation of LDL cholesterol, reducing heart disease risk. Improves eye health, may lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Anti-inflammatory effects, helps reduce chronic inflammation linked to various diseases. Both vitamins work well together, especially for skin health and overall antioxidant protection. Do you have a specific concern or goal related to these vitamins?